Everyone, Daryl from Daryl's Marketing. Thanks for coming in. Sorry, trying to take a look at the chat. Yes, hey, Catherine, how are you? Thanks for being here. Jamal, what's up? Yo, hey, Roger, what's going on, man? Jamie, good to see you as well. Okay, we're here, of course, to talk about Drop Gecko. I'm not going to keep you long. I want to go ahead and get started real quick. People can come on in, that'll be fine. I will have a recording of this up as well. But let's talk about Drop Gecko. Of course, we all know what it is. I am going to get myself out of the way so we can actually take a closer look at it. Of course, Drop Gecko is a drop shipping store, e-commerce solution. Everything is done for you. It's hosted in the cloud. You don't have to worry about hosting. It sets your store up for you automatically. You don't have to worry about doing anything other than making money, basically. It's set up in a way that it actually picks the products for you. And we're going to look into the back-end tool here in just a minute. This is a demo Drop Gecko store right here. This is set up as a fashion store. And as you can see, it's very nice looking, very smooth, very responsive. It's going to work well on mobile and so forth. And you can see the categories set up, 47% off featured products, things like that. All sorts of shopping tools and things here that are going to help you. You can fill in a lot more information down here. This is completely editable. You can change all of these things to make it look the way you want to. But let's take a look, for example, at an item. I'll just click and add to cart. Okay, it's giving me all these different items, all these pictures. It's I need to pick the color and a size and add to cart. It's also telling me, check this out. This yeah, this is cool right here. This is a countdown timer, one of those scarcity things that helps everybody. Share buttons for all your social media networks. Obviously, that's going to help you drive more traffic in. Click add to cart. We see all these options for pay, cart details. Shows me what's in my cart. I can take it out of the cart, clear the cart, add one, add more than one, and go to checkout. And I can check out. Coupon codes. Part of the pro version of Drop Gecko is that you can use coupon codes. So you can actually supply your users with a code that they can save some money instantly. You can put scarcity and expiration dates on there. It just helps to generate more sales. Next, checkout address. Okay, so I'm not going to fill all this out. We won't do all that part of it. But you see how simple this is to use. I mean, it's very straightforward, easily set up. You have your different categories that you can check. We can filter by category or by item type, filtering by price range, filtering by brand, which of course you would have, all that filled in. Again, this is a demo. You can even change the layout. Looks like looks like more of a list style layout. I sort of like okay, of course it does have the countdown timers and so forth in that one as well. Very cool, very cool. It also has a blog. They have SEO optimized blogs that are built right into this. You get this as part of your package, part of the Drop Gecko system when you purchase. So let's jump over here and take a look at the back end. This is what you don't get to see. So you can't get to any of this. None of this is live. This is still about almost a little less than 2 days before launch, and so you can't get this yet. But this is a demo version that we are able to get access to. So I'm able to show you what's here. The dashboard shows you how many products you have, your orders, coupons that you've set up, et cetera, different brands and so forth. Subscribers, you can actually integrate this with a autoresponder. Orders lets you go and see your orders that have come in and processing these things. And naturally I'm on Firefox and not on Chrome, but anyway, on Chrome you have an extension you click, it automatically fills in everything from the order for you, and all you have to do is choose your payment method for AliExpress and click go, and the order is handled. They drop ship it to the customer's happy, you're happy, AliExpress is happy, everybody's making money, the customer's getting a really good deal on a product. Here you can see a listing of all your products. You can go in, edit things. You can change dates. You can see when they were updated. You can, like I said, edit or delete. You can mass select items and get rid of them all at once if you'd like. You can export, print, etc. And now this over here, this is really, to me, the key to Drop Gecko. You can import hot products either as an affiliate or as a drop shipper. Drop shipping certainly is the way to go because that's where you're going to make a lot more money. And you can discover trending products as well. But let's look at this real quickly. Now, I don't have the CSV file because I haven't set, obviously, since this is a demo account, I haven't set all this up yet. But you can actually click right there and you will get a CSV file from AliExpress. And it's going to be in your niche. So for this store, it would be, you could choose, for example, hot selling items in the clothing, the women's clothing niche. And it's going to bring this back to you. You click, you just put it right here and upload it. You go here and choose your margin. Let's say we want to mark everything up 60%. And if it's on sale, we'll mark it up only 47%, for example. Once you upload this product and import it, it pulls in every detail about the product, everything from photos to descriptions to sizing options to color options, everything you need to make for the product to be live and ready to sell right then. So you're looking at only the hot selling items, so you're not going to be putting a lot of stuff in your store that's not useful. You're only going to be pulling in things that you know are selling. This again is just the top thing. I mean, it does everything for you, but this is one of the coolest features about this. Again, you can do this as an affiliate as well through AliExpress or through, I guess, through other affiliates. I know that you can set up an Amazon affiliate account through here and do that. But drop shipping really is the way to go because the margins are just so much higher. Let's say you're selling a $100 item, you know, as an Amazon affiliate, at best you might make $8 off of it. As a drop shipper, you might make $60 off of it. So anyway, categories, obviously, you know what that's for. You can set up all your different categories. Skinny jeans, that's actually something I'm going to go ahead and delete that because I actually set that up just as a test, just to see what was going on. Somebody else has been doing tests as well. You can set up all your brands. You can set up coupons in here. Oops, there's nothing in there. Advertising. This is where you will go to set up things like your Google Marketplace ads and to set up, you put in your feed here. And this way, all of your items, if you're a pro member, every piece of merchandise on your store is automatically added to the Google Marketplace. SEO value and traffic value from that is just incredible. You can get a list of your customers here. You can see your different pages. Let's see, we're again trying to keep this short. Different pages here, refund policy, contact us, things like that. Of course, you can go to your blog and do things like add new posts, look at the categories. Definitely want to keep the blog updated. It's great for SEO value. Of course, Pro version integrates with Facebook remarketing, the Facebook Pixel, so you can do remarketing and retargeting and so forth. Subscribers, because again, you can actually set up your own you can integrate with your autoresponder. Payments tells you how you can set up all your payment settings and so forth. And then admin, I think, is for setting up. Yes, this is shipping, general settings, themes. You can change the look of the site and so forth. So as you can see, I mean, everything you could possibly need is right here so that you can quickly have this and be earning money immediately. Drop shipping money, not little affiliate money. So, is any questions? Anybody got questions? Yeah, Jamie. It's going live on the 19th at 9 a.m. and the initial price, I think, is going to cap during launch week at like $21.97 for the one-time deal, and it's actually going to be on a dime sale. It starts. You know what? Matter of fact, and I've got some information, yes, about the OTOs as well. Let me, if you guys will bear with me a second. I actually just did a video and a PowerPoint on this, so let me see if we can change this up real quick. I want to try to change my window capture to, okay, here we go. All right, guys, can y'all see this? Okay. All right, cool. Again, launching at 9 a.m. on the 19th. This is a little slideshow thing I did for a video about the OTOs. Pricing again is starting at $18.47. This is the front end product, and this is everything you need to get going. It really is. Now OTO 1 is the pro version, and I highly recommend this if you guys are serious about it. You know, if you try it out with the basic version, then you can upgrade later, obviously. But this lets you add all of this extra stuff, like all these extra scarcity tools, countdown timers, limited sales, all these kind of things. Add more products. Use the autoresponder. You can get the Facebook Market integration and Google Marketplace. So again, $19.97 a month. That's going to be a monthly deal. So this is OTO 1. You can do it annually for $97, which is obviously a huge savings off of this. And I guess if you're in for the long haul, you could go $197 and do that as well. That's a one-time fee, and then you've got like lifetime access to Drop Gecko Pro. If you guys know Cindy and them, if you're familiar with that team, they really, really, really support their products, and they support them over the long haul. This thing will be working years from now. This is not something they're going to promote for 6 months and then drop it and move to the next thing. That's just not how that team works. OTO 2 is kind of interesting. This is called Gecko Mail, and it's a newsletter service. What they do is they send targeted newsletters out to your customers and your leads and your prospects. And these are emails that are developed by e-commerce marketing experts, so they know how to get people to click over to your store, which is going to bring you more traffic, more engagement, more profits, which is what we're after. $27 monthly for this. Again, that might seem a little pricey. You know, if you've got to make a choice between just one OTO, you know, just getting one OTO, I'd certainly go with the Drop Gecko Pro, in my opinion. That's the most bang for your buck. But this might be interesting. I'm curious to learn a little bit more about this, but I honestly have not seen one of the newsletters, so I can't tell you a lot more. You can get it for $200 a year for annually, or $27 monthly. But now they're offering a discount right now, 20%, or as soon as it launches during the launch time. These coupon codes, GEC Mail for the monthly deal, or GEC Annual for the annual pricing, it saves you 20%. So if you're interested in that, again, if you have to just go with one OTO, I will go with this one right here, definitely. But this is interesting. I'm curious to find out more. There are a couple other OTOs available. OTO 3 is the agency version. If you're interested in flipping stores, man, there's a lot of money in domain flipping right now and store or site flipping. You can create 10 new stores every month and flip them, do whatever you want to do with them. One-time fee of $97 or annually for $67. So if that's something you're interested in, cool. Drop Gecko resellers is obviously you can sell it as your own product and you get to keep 100% of the profits. Now, if you sell the monthly solution, for example, if you sell Dropseller Pro to someone, there's you get 50% of those monthly recurring profits because there's processing fees on their side. But the initial sale, of course, you get 100%. So if you're interested in that stuff, is that clear up pricing and OTO questions, guys? Okay, cool. All right, I'll tell you what, I've really pretty much got everything here that, you know, I've kind of gone over everything I wanted to. If there's no more questions, yeah, I'm going to be doing a live event. I will go live at 9 o'clock on the 19th. So 9 a.m. September 19th, jump back in here. We're going to go live again for the launch period. So I hate that I can only get into a demo account right now because it hasn't gone live yet, because I can't wait to get my hands on this thing. Anyway, thanks, guys. I'm Daryl at Daryl's Marketing. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I do a lot of reviews and a lot of walkthroughs on different products and so forth. Let's see. And I guess I can pop this back on, say thanks for stopping in. Again, I do appreciate it. And we will see you guys the next time we do this. Take care.